Hey, alright, thank you so much for clicking back to my channel. So, title it says Apple AirPods, and you might be thinking, I'm a bit too late for this. Yes, you're right, I'm a bit too late for it. Everyone's having these Apple AirPods already, except me. Because the last time on my vlog, I mentioned to you that I was gonna get an headphone that I was gonna buy in Japan or in Singapore because it's way cheaper, and the brand it's famous for it and for sound quality. Now I won't lie to you, I didn't buy the headphone. It's because I let you know the reason why I didn't buy the headphones and why I chose wireless earphone, or they call it AirPods instead. And I'll let you know the reason why I chose an AirPod rather than the Bose, the newest headliner headphone that cost about almost 450 Singapore dollars, or which equivalent to yen 37,500 berapa yen. I didn't buy that, I didn't, but I have a good reason why I didn't buy it. So stick around at the end of the video because I'm gonna let you know the number one reason why you should get an AirPod. So here it is. So let me tell you, I was about to do an unboxing, and yes, I'm going to do an unboxing because I've been waiting to unbox this. I've been waiting to use this. I bought this about, I think, 1 week or 1.5 weeks ago when I traveled to Singapore, and then I decided to get this instead. I also bought another thing for it, which is called the AirPods waterproof hand case, this one. And the reason I want to buy a case for it is because this AirPod comes with a little charging case with the white one. If you know, you probably know all about it. You put the AirPods inside the charging case and then it will charge by itself. Now that charging case is quite fragile, so if you drop it, like I know a friend who dropped it and then the flip comes off. So I decided to find a casing for it, so in case if I drop it, it will actually bounce back, and it's actually a silicone case. So let me show you what the silicone case looks like, and we should put it on together. I want to do is right now is actually open the Apple AirPods boxing because I can't wait to open it. So here it is. So when I open it, it's like a normal when you buy an Apple product. It's all white and it's got that little plastic sleeve. And if you take off the box like that, inside is the normal white case. Nothing else. It's got that Apple AirPods picture and it got the Apple logo on the side. And on the side, it will tell you all of the specs the AirPods have. Now, if you open this, the first thing you're gonna get is a manual book with it, which you don't read. We don't read manuals. I don't read manuals also. And then straight away from the box, you get this, the little case inside. It's got a little sleeve on it. So let's take a look at it. So I'm gonna open the sleeve, and this is what it looks like. Quite small, and it's about your palm size, and it's just right there. And like, let me tell you, the first time it came out, AirPods, a lot of people had a lot of beef with it, and everyone just came and crushed it. Like Apple took this out, AirPods, and everyone just says, oh, it fits in your ear, it doesn't fit on my ear, it falls off in someone's ear, and you can lose it so many times because there's no wire. It's purely, I think this is the first wireless, they call it, because if you buy a wireless nowadays, they still had a kabelnya kan, and this one is called a wireless earphone. Now this is a true wireless earphone, which is, they don't have cable for it, and it is that small. Everyone had a beef, everyone hated it, everyone never wanted to buy it, but now, let me tell you, the AirPods are the most viral thing on now on the market. Everyone has it. Everywhere I go, they have the little cling thing, but that's not the reason why I went to buy it. I didn't buy it because of viral, I didn't buy it because everyone has it. I'm gonna let you know why I bought it. So this is how small it is. Let's take out the plastic. Let go. There it is. There's the casing. Full-on casing. It's really cool. It's got that metallic back, and it's got that charging casing at the back. There. Charging casing at the back. It's really, really cool. So they say once you open this, it has a chip inside. So this AirPod ada chipnya, and chipnya ini makes it very easy to connect to your what you call it, your iPhone itself. So katanya the chip is fantastic. It's so fast, and I think it's the fastest in the market. You see, when you want to connect AirPods into your phone, normally, let me get my phone here. When you want to connect your AirPods into your phone, normally people open their Bluetooth setting and then they really wait until it loads to find out your Bluetooth name of your earphone or headphone, and then you connect. You wait for another 3 seconds, and then it'll give you a little beep, it'll give you a little beep that says connected. Then you can use it. This, it's different. Apple made everything brand new. It has that chip on it, so it has a little button at the end. You can't really see that button at the end. I didn't notice it. There's a button at the end. Let's see if what happens if I press the button. Check it out. Here it is. So let me open this. There you go. See how fast that was? It didn't even take anything. So it really shows. Like I'll leave it open on the. Oh, I left it closed. I just closed it just now. So let me leave it open again, and you can see how fast it goes. So let me flick it open. There you go. And then the Apple will detect itself. You see how fast that was? Now that is because of the W1 chip. Now after it's connected, I didn't have to go to Bluetooth setting. Go harus ke Bluetooth setting. I just let it open and it'll connect to it, and it will tell me I closed it just now again. See, I closed it. I open it one more time, and once I open it, it'll connect me to the. It will tell me AirPods-nya itu gue punya battery seberapa, sama charging case-nya juga punya battery seberapa. Quite cool. It's fantastic. It even says Ricky's iPod. So once this is done, once I take this out, right, I take these two out. These are the AirPods itself. It has no wire. That's why it's called an AirPod. And then I put it on my ear like this, like that. It fits comfortably. Once I put it on my ear, it has a little beep. It's like a little ding, like really Apple beep. You know it's from Apple. And then I can just go to any Spotify, I can just play it, and it will play on this Apple iPod. And it's just so cool. It's fully. Now I don't know how it looks because I can't see myself on the video itself. Now this Apple iPod goes like this, and this one's like this. Now the best part about this iPod is when I take out one AirPod, when I take this off, it will freeze. It will stop. And you see, it will stop. And if I put it on, and it will carry on. That's how cool it is, let me tell you. And if I take this off, you see that? It stops. And if I put it on, it plays. And that's because all from the W1 chip, and especially made for that. I can't even hear myself when I'm doing this. So I'm gonna take this out, and I'll put it on the table. So let's talk about hands-free. If you're using this to talk time, the first charge, it will get you 15 hours of talk time. If you do this on the second charge, it'll give you 7 hours of talk time. If we're talking about music time, the first time you charge it, it'll give you 5 hours. The second time I recharge is going to be 3 hours. So that's a full set of 8 hours of me listening time. Now, you're probably guessing right now, and you probably already know why I went to buy this Apple AirPods. So here's the reason why. The Bose Comfort has fantastically good preference of quality music. It has a noise cancelling like anyone else in the market. It was the best. But you see, I have an earphone like this. And normally when you have the best sound quality, people actually downgrade the battery, the battery hours. Like I have a Bose, not Bose, I have a B&O H5. This B&O for H5 actually costs more than this Apple AirPod. I think it costs another $120 more. This won't last me for about 3 hours. So let's say if I go from my place, I live in Bekasi, right? And I go to the airport, and it takes me about 2 hours traffic jam, net to the airport. Now you leave me 1 hour of listening time. Now when I go on the plane, if I go more than further away than Surabaya, let's say if I go to Bali, or let's say if I go to Medan, that's a 2 hours and a half, or I go to Singapore. That's it, flat. I have another 1 hour and another hour on airplane. I wouldn't be listening to anything else because baterainya gua will be finished, will be done. This won't last me until Singapore. From Bekasi to Singapore, this won't last me. But this, it'll give me 5 hours from my place to the airport though. So that takes out 2, leaving me 3. So full set of charge without charging it back into the packet. without the box, without the casing, it gives me enough time for me to go from Bekasi to Singapore, or Bekasi to Bali, or Bekasi to Surabaya. And in case when I land and I need to recharge it, I just put it back in the carrying case and I recharge it for 15 minutes and it'll give me 3 hours of listening time. And that, my friend, is the reason why I went to buy this, not the Bose Comfort 35. Because as me, someone who's traveling very, very much, I really need something that will really accompany me all the way until I get to the hotel, until I settle down and I recharge it back again. And that's the reason why. Let's open up the case. I'm really interested about this case because it says it's waterproof. It can go to water up to 1 meter deep without any water coming into. So let's check it out. I'm gonna open this very, very quickly for you. Ah, that's cool. Full set like that. And then when I carry this, I'm gonna carry it like this. Should be all good. And the AirPods itself is waterproof. Should be. Now I'm not gonna test it and put it in water. I'm just gonna let you know this is waterproof itself. So turunin ke belakang like that. And then I will take out the AirPods. This is how it's going to be. Not bad lah. This is really cool. And then kalau gue udah selesai, gue buka AirPodnya kayak gini. Ini dari income YouTube-nya gue fully. Gue nggak ada. Jadi gue beli ini semuanya, ini full set dari apa yang gue dapat dalam 1 bulan dalam YouTube-nya gue. So I'm telling you this not because of I'm telling you this because I'm gonna encourage everyone to go on YouTube, because it's if you like hobbying as a vlogger, or you're hobbying as a photo taking, or maybe filmmaking, or maybe you like to take B-rolls, or you like to do DIY, go to YouTube. And if you have that passion inside there, at the same time you can get some money, you can get side money for you while you're having fun in doing what you love to do, which is this. So anyway, there goes my AirPod. Thank you so much for watching this channel and clicking this moment. I really do appreciate it. Any of my unboxing video, if you like my unboxing video, if you want me to keep on buying things every single month from my YouTube income, do let me know in a comment below. Kalau lo suka gue beli sesuatu terus gue unboxing di sini bareng, di komen dong di bawah, sama remember to click like and appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Ricky. Please do subscribe. I'll be doing everything in the channel, actually traveling, unboxing, and everything else. And that's it, nothing else. Thank you so much. Keep it real, keep it clean, and vlog positive. Booyah! Thank you so much for stumbling into my YouTube channel. Appreciate it that you watched my videos all the way until now. And if you haven't already, please do make sure you punch that like button at the bottom and also press that share button. At the same time, if you like any of the videos like this also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's just right there with the red button. In that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next moment to come. You're still here. My social media platform. If you want to follow me, I forgot.